Mrs. M. Muthuselvi, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Corporate Stewardship from KCS Kosnalar College of Arts and Science, Chennai. In this session, we will discuss about the SEBI guidelines for issue of securities. The guidelines will be classified into two types. First one is unlisted companies and the another one is listed companies. Regarding unlisted companies, the guidelines will be classified into two types. First one is track record and the another one is project appraisal. Track record. To issue securities through an offer document, the unlisted company has track record of distributable profits in terms of Section 205 of Companies Act for at least 3 out of the immediately preceding 5 years and pre-issue net worth of not less than rupees 1 crore in 3 out of preceding 5 years with a minimum net worth to be met during immediately preceding 2 years. The second one is to determine the minimum track record of 3 years. At least 3 audited accounts shall be available comprising not less than 36 months. The third one is for an unlisted company formed out of a division of an existing company, the track record of distributable profits of the division spun off shall be considered for the purpose of eligibility criteria. Then we will discuss about the project appraisal. An unlisted company that does not satisfy the above requirements can make a public issue of equity share capital or any security convertible at a later date into equity share capital in the following conditions. A public financial institution or scheduled commercial bank has appraised the project to be financed the proposed offer to the public. The second one is not less than 10% of the project cost is financed by the said appraising bank or institution by way of loans, equity, participants in the issue of security in the proposed or combination of any others. The last one is the appraising bank or institution shall bring in the minimum specified contribution at least 1 day before the opening of public issue. Then we will discuss about the guidelines for listed companies. Filing of offer document. The listed company has filed a draft prospectus with the board through an eligible merchant banker at least 21 days prior to the filing of prospectus with the register of companies. The second one is letter of offer, where the aggregate value of securities exceed rupees 50 lakhs. The letter of offer is filed with the board through an eligible merchant banker at least 21 days prior to the filing of the letter of offer with the regional stock exchange. The third point is companies barred. The company has not been prohibited from accessing the capital market under any order or direction passed by the board. The fourth one is application for listing. The company has made an application for listing of those securities on the stock exchange. The last one is issue of securities in dematerialized form. The company enter into an agreement with a depository for dematerialization of securities already issued or proposed to be issued to the public or existing shareholders. Okay students, in this session we discussed about the SEBI guidelines for issue of securities. In this next video lecture, I will explain the remaining topics. Thank you, students.